My presentation is over project delivery methods in highway construction. I'm going to talk about cost, safety, type of delivery uses, Texas use, test your knowledge, and follow my summary. To construct a 2 new lane undivided road is about $2 to $3 million per mile in rural areas and about $3 to $5 million in urban areas. To construct a 4 new lane highway is about $46 million per mile in rural and suburban areas and $8 to $10 million per mile in urban areas. To construct a 6 new lane interstate highway is about $7 million per mile in rural areas, $11 million or more per mile in urban areas. Mill and resurface a 4-lane road is about $1.25 million per mile. To expand an interstate highway from a 4-lane to 6-lane is about $4 million per mile. And for safety, we gotta wear high visibility clothing, be observant, be aware of worksite vehicles, use spotters, understand communication signals, don't stand under suspended equipment, apply parking brakes, use a seatbelt, be cautious when approaching vehicles, make eye contact before moving operating equipment, and don't ride on moving equipment. And there's 3 primary contracting methods for federally funded highways, which is design bid build, and then CMGC. Delivery methods in highway construction. The traditional delivery method for highway construction is design bid build. Some public agencies across the country are pursuing innovative project delivery methods such as design build and construction manager at risk. To improve cycle time performance on projects, and numerous transportation departments are currently using design build for highway construction. Design bid build. Using design bid build method separates design and construction by both sequence and contract. Using this method, state departments of transportation normally contract with design and engineering firms, and once the designs and specifications are completed, the project is ready for bid solicitation. Design build method for transportation projects has increased noticeably in the past decade in highway construction. Attempts to measure project performance under design build as against design build have been limited to small projects. An input versus output benchmarking approach was used to assess the performance of large design build highway projects. With this approach, factors that could affect performance of highway projects were identified, and a comprehensive methodology for benchmarking was developed. A sample of 4 design-build projects with contract amounts ranging from $126 million to $1.4 billion was analyzed to determine how project characteristics and design-build practice inputs affect project performance in terms of cost and schedule. Projects' cost and schedule performance show clear trends against 15 input factors. CMGC. Agency procures professional service on qualification or best values basis from a construction manager during the design phase to offer suggestions on innovation, cost and schedule savings, and constructability issues upon completion of the design or individual design packages. The contractor and agency negotiate a price for the construction contract, and then the construction manager acts as a general contractor to complete construction. The contract can employ a guaranteed maximum price administered on a cost reimbursable basis, unit price, or lump sum contract. CM at risk. Around the country, agencies are seeking additional project delivery methods to address risk management, improve schedule delivery, and enable collaboration on design decisions. CM at risk is one delivery method that may address these issues. In a CM at risk contract, the owner contracts spreads separately with the project designer and construction manager. The design contract is modified to create contractual obligations for the designer to proceed with its work in a manner that facilitates the CM at risk process. The construction manager is usually selected on a basis of qualification and past performance. though TxDOT's with CM at risk experience also includes price functions in their selection process. Texas use in Texas under the current Texas law, Texas only uses design bid build methods since it is the standard procurement methodology used by TxDOT for highway construction. Design bid build contracting practice in Texas are structured to ensure fairness and manage risk. Although the Texas Department of Transportation and the Texas legislature have shown a particular interest in design build project delivery method, but is legally unavailable along with any other delivery method outside design bid build. Test your knowledge. What are the other types of methods besides design bid build our agencies are looking into? And for my summary, agencies across the United States are using the design bid build method since it is the traditional way for highway construction, although agencies are slowly progressing to other delivery methods such as design build and CM at risk. In Texas, agencies use design bid build and design build delivery methods for highway construction. And for my references,